Our initiative is the Healing Community Center. HEAL, or the Healing Community Center, was created by Dr. Charles Moore, an emergency physician at Grady Health System in the Department of Head and Neck Disorders. He was troubled about his numerous patients that could not receive critical medical help that could have easily treated their cancers if it had been identified early enough.
He decided to open a clinic that catered to three specific zip codes in Atlanta, including 30314, which he found had the highest levels of cancer diagnosis he saw come through Grady. He also realized these areas were medically undeserved. He started the clinic out of his car, but with donations and grants, the Healing Center has now expanded. Some of the current clinic services are pediatrics, audiology, ear, nose, and throat, speech therapy, cardiology, dentistry, general medical care, and many more. The Healing Community Center has become well known for providing free and affordable health care to those who also can't afford health insurance.
Within impoverished neighborhoods, many undiagnosed or untreated health disparities are prevalent, especially in West Atlanta communities, specifically in the 30314, 30311, and 30318 areas. There are increased amounts of people who have diabetes, cardiovascular disease, cancer, and obesity.
Obesity is basically the disease involving the excessive amount of body fat that leads to other health problems such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart disease. About more than one-third of American adults are obese. Diabetes is a disease that comes in result from excess or lack of glucose. Nearly 30 million people in the U.S. have diabetes. Cardiovascular disease involves diseased vessels, structural problems, and blood clots. CVD is the number one cause of death in the United States. Cancer is basically the uncontrolled division of abnormal cells in a part of the body. The most common are known as breast cancer, lung and bronchus cancer, prostate cancer, colon and rectum cancer. These diseases are most common in the West Atlanta area because the citizens have less access to affordable health care. That is why we propose the following solution in support of the Healing Community Center.
Cheers. As biomedical engineers, our mission is to improve the lives of others through progress and service.
Since we focus on applying engineering to human health, we concentrated our efforts on the Human Community Center of Atlanta, Georgia.
The objectives of our solutions include creating devices concerning the health of patients and to overall improve the sustainability of patients.
One example of a stand we wish to take is improving heart disease. Heart disease is currently the number one killer in the United States and is predicted to be the number one killer in the world by 2020.
A few ideas would be to have a small device that allows patients with high blood pressure to keep track of their blood pressure without having to go through the pain of sticking themselves every day.
Another would be improving the technique of someone responding to a heart attack victim.